Copy AI review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you whether or not Copy AI is a good copywriting tool or not. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see right here, I'm on their website, and over here, as you can see, they've made quite a lot of changes since I last visited. So over here you can see there are a bunch of different products that you can choose from. There are a lot of stuff they've added since last time, and right here you can see you have platforms, you have use cases, you have resources as well. And if we go underneath product, you have AI marketing OS, AI sales, and their general platform as well. And underneath platform, you can find all the tools that you would need. So AI marketing, AI sales, chat, brand voice, info base, workflow templates, AI tools, and copy AI APIs. You've also have use cases as well, such as translation. You can use it to translate different content, blog content, social media posts. You can use it to create social media, email marketing, and you even have resources underneath it where is they've added a new tool called the GTM AI. And if you go over here to take a look at what it is, we can see here is the GTM. So here they're basically gonna tell you the key future proofing your business. So right here, so here you have GTM bloat, right? Hiding in plain sight. So here they talk about GTM bloat, what it is, the inefficiency of app sprawls, the unintended consequences of over specialization. So we have a bunch of different options right here talking about what GTM is and how it works, right? So nevertheless, we're going to go ahead and go over to Copy AI, and it is free, but there is a pricing plan, as you can see right here, which we will get into later on in the video. We're going to deep dive into it, tell you how much features it has, which one is the best one, or which one is the go-to. So let's go ahead and create an account. So we'll just simply click on try for free. And here you can sign in with your email address, or you can continue with your Google account or Microsoft account. Either is fine. And once you have, signed up, they're gonna ask you, or they're gonna take you to a quick survey where you can go ahead and answer some of their questions. But if you don't want to do that, you can just simply go ahead and skip anywhere. There are a couple of questions if you want. It depends on you. So we'll just simply click on skip survey for now and directly go into the dashboard. So here is the dashboard. As you can see right here, you have a bunch of different options. You can see we have get started with section right here where we can discover chat. Chat acts as the AI assistant right here. We have tailor chat to your brand voice. Over here, we can go ahead and create content that's on brand and uses a unique tone voice, basically, AI voice over here. We have some of the examples over here where we get more options such as experience, chats, efficiency, and stuff like that. And then we have with the workflow, get started with the workflow options. Here you have the workflow options, you have the sales workflow, you have the marketing workflow, then you have the team spaces where you can go ahead and communicate with your team and stuff like that. So, yeah, depending upon what you use it for, Copy AI, people generally use Copy AI for content writing and copywriting. So, here you can see that we have chat, we have the examples right here. And on the left hand side, you can see all the options as well. So, you have home, over here is the team space where you have the general team space, personal, and if you want, you can create a new team space right there. Here is the home, which is your own dashboard. Then you have the AI tools right here where you have chat and projects. If you click on this plus icon here, you can create a new chat. And in projects, if you click on it, this is going to be the chat right here. Here you will see folders. Here you can see different projects that you're working on. And then down below, you have automations where you have workflows and operating systems and workflow library. And then down below, you have assets where you have info base and brand voice. So if you click on brand voice, here you can go ahead and it's loading up right here. So here you can see this simple video where they explain how you can use brand voice. So you can click on this button right here to create a brand voice and you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and click on create a brand voice. Now, if you don't know what brand voice is a custom tone, you can say custom tone for your blogs and articles. Here, you will write your own blog, your own article in your own lettering, in your own words. What brand voice will do is what Copy AI will do is it will analyze the brand voice and reverse engineer it, analyze it, look at all the key points that you make, how you write words, how you speak them, right? And then it will cater to that tone, and then it will write blogs or certain blogs just as how you would write them in real life. So it basically mimics how you write your content. So you can go ahead and add it right here, and then it will mimic that. content. So let's go ahead and add some piece of content over here, and then we'll move on to the chat section where we will show you how you can, create different blogs and stuff. All right, so here is what I copied from a article. So now what we'll do is we'll click on analyze the brand voice. It's going to analyze how this person has written it. And there we go. So now over here, it's going to go ahead and it's going to analyze it. It's done analyzing it. It now knows what to do, what to write. And over here, you can see that it has it right here, insightful, balanced brand voice. So this is what we were looking for. You can go ahead and change the name to whatever you want. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and click on save brand voice, and you can use this button over here to save it as the default voice across your team space. So we'll go ahead and click on save brand voice. Now, when we go ahead and write our piece of content, we can use this brand voice as well. So if we come over here on the left hand side, we'll go ahead and click on the chat option, and here we'll click on create a new chat. And here we'll create a new topic right here. So here we'll select, you can see right here, real time, long form content, or brainstorm ideas, right? So write a blog post about a search engine optimization, write a press release about it, whatever you want, right? You can go ahead and do that. Or you can real time search as well. So summarize the latest news on generative AI. So if we click over that, and we can see right here at the bottom, if we click on attachments, we can select different documents that Copy AI will scan and write off of that. Or if we click on browse prompts, we can select different prompts right here. We can create custom prompts, or we can select the ones that are already created over here on the left hand side in their respective categories. Or we can just simply select the brand voice, which we have already created, and now we can see it right here. So if we click that brand voice, right, and we click on this button, it'll go ahead and create real-time searches. So let's go ahead and see, create a blog post about search engine optimization, right? We'll go ahead and change that to something else. So something like this, right? Let's go ahead and say we want to create a blog post about the dangers of generative AI using the brand voice that we created. So we'll just simply click on this button right here and let it do its thing. So here you go. It's writing, as you can see right here. So we can go ahead and read while it does that. Right here, navigating the wild side of generative AI. So understanding the danger. So here we can go ahead and see the magic and the menace, lost in time translations, the creepy twins, the overlord effect, the finding the balance. So we can see it did whatever we asked it to. And now if we want to go ahead and say we don't like it, or we want to improve it, we can go ahead and create another one, and we are good to go. So now we can go ahead and click on add to editor, where we can go ahead and edit this out. So here we can see we have the title, we have the headings. So over here, instead of that, we'll remove the title, and we'll select the entire title, make it bold, and we'll go ahead and give it heading number 1. That's actually pretty good. And now we can go ahead and read it, and change whatever we want, and down below we can add our name, and we should be good to go. After that, we can go ahead and click on create project, and right here we can see what type of ChatGPT functionality it's using. So we have ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT 4.0, and we have other ones as well which are pro, but for now I think this is good. Then we can clear the chat if we want to, but yeah, then we can just simply go ahead and click on create project, and here it will take us to the create project section, where we can go ahead and then it will save that text to the project section. So if we go ahead and click on the left hand side into products, we can find it right here. So here we go, dangers of generative AI, and we can go ahead and check it out. And pretty simple, very easy to use, and nothing too crazy as well. So now you know how you can use it. After that, you can just simply go ahead and automate stuff to it. You can go to the workflow station, and here you can add different workflow. So you can go ahead and say that whenever someone has created a blog post or a blog or a piece of content, you can go ahead and send it to whatever website you want. You can go ahead and send it to Slacks or whatever app you're using. Yeah, so very simple. Right here, you build the workflow. But yes, these were all the things that you needed to know about Copy AI. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. So here we go. We have 3 plans: the advanced, the starter, and the free. So we can see only 1 seat is available in the free one, and 2000 words, and it uses ChatGPT 3.5 and Claude 3, Copy AI brand voice, and AI info in base. Whereas in the starter one, you have unlimited words, unlimited chat project. So you can use the ChatGPT 4.0 and more, and you get access to all the latest LLMs and private community access. So you have better understanding. so you have better information when it comes to writing content. So, and then you have the advanced one, but I don't think you would need that. That's way too much. But yeah, I think the starter one would be good. It's going to cost you $36 per month, which is going to be billed annually at $432 per year. So keep that in mind. And if you want to learn about more of them, you can just simply go ahead and click on get started right here, and you should be good to go. There's another plan called enterprise, but I think that's for enterprises. So yeah, that's it. Those were all the things that you needed to know about Copy AI and whether or not it's a great tool for content writing. So in my opinion, it is very easy to use. You can create your own custom content as well. So so it won't feel like you're plagiarizing someone else. You can add brand voice, which is going to be your own AI of a sort. So yeah, very simple. This is how you do it. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.